Hello, my name is Kalogeraki. I'm a Swiss Alpine graduate, and it all started in 2021 when I was searching for a college related to tourism, and through LinkedIn and through social media I found the Swiss Alpine College, where I also started to study in 2021. Living in Greece, in one of the top tourism destinations all around the world, I was encouraged to find my career path in the tourism industry. More specifically to the Swiss Alpine College, the best part during my studies was actually that I had the opportunity to work together with a lot of international students, and also through the successful career days that the Swiss Alpine College was organizing every year, I got an amazing job offer for the position of HR assistant at Fire Resorts, which is located in Greece. Also, if you would like to open your doors internationally and get multiple career opportunities all around the world, the Swiss Alpine Center is the right place for you. Come join us and take all career opportunities offered to you. Thank you very much.